Chuck. Chuck asks his brother, Sleepy Jimmy, did you ground yourself? I will use the expression in another sense. Ground, the ground. Ground yourself with Mother Nature. If you happen to have a garden with fruit trees, here is a peach tree, organic, 100%. And you can see a lot of peaches sticking to each other. It's no good. So you have to clear, I don't know if it's a word, you have to take as many as possible, leaving only 2 or 3 on each branch, and they must be in the best way opposite to each other. One this side, see, and not this one. Don't leave this one. The other one is good, the other side, and this one is gonna be taken off the branch, and don't mind leaving them. Birds, worms, everything will go back to its origin. Nature, the ground, biodegradable. See, it's laden a lot, and it's a pleasure in the quiet with the birds fighting and struggling. What some people call singing, they ain't sing. Birds never sing. Birds fight. They struggle for life to reproduce, to mate, to find food, and to survive. There are birds that even spend one day alive. This one is laden, so tuck, you take as many as, well, not as many as possible actually, but it's the technique. When I was a student, I had to work in different countries in Europe to earn my living, to make a living. Sorry, oh. Yeah, by the way, peach trees, whether they be young or especially the young ones, they break easily. This one is dead. So we carry on operating. See, one here, the other side. One here, one here, one here. This is too close. So we keep one here, and the other one is, it's the light, sunlight. At least we have a little sunlight today. It's been raining cats and dogs. An expression which sounds exist in the States. I asked some friends, they told me yes, cats and dogs, it's raining cats and dogs. English people, they laugh. When they hear it, they say no, it is not said. Some say yes, maybe it's local. These are not no good, word-ridden, so we take them off and we keep on. This one is too close, this one is too close. Say for example, this one here and the other side opposite, this one, even if it's bigger, sick. Some glue, it's a sort of glue. Peach, this is a white peach. I love the others. White are don't have much juice, but orange or yellow or red, yellow ones are just good, juicy. These were stuck to each other. Up, only one. You leave only one. Well, this branch looks good, so we carry on. So long.